So section 263 deals with when any resistance or obstruction has been made by the person other than accused, for example, could be friends, relatives of accused, etc. They can also be punished under section 263 for making such obstructions or resistance. Section 265 deals with other mode of obstructions other than which have been made under 262 or 263, when 262-263 doesn't attract, section 265 can come into the picture, and the punishment for this would be 6 months of imprisonment or with fine. Section 266 deals with violation of any condition in case of remission of punishment. So when conditions have been imposed with regard to remission of punishment, when such conditions are violated, then that person shall also be held liable under this section. Section 266 and section 267 deals with contempt. So if any intentional insult or interruption has been made with regard to any judicial proceedings, it could be against public servant or IT officer, that could be construed as a contempt, and the offender shall be punished for an imprisonment of 2 years and 5,000 rupees of fine. Section 269 deals with when a person has acquired bail or bail bond, and later he has to appear before the court, and he fails to do so, he fails to appear before the court. In such case, additional 1 year of imprisonment shall be imposed upon such person. Section 73 and 72, these are independent provision which are not subjects under this chapter, but these two sections are dealt under different chapters but highly relevant when it comes to judiciary preparation. And section 73 and 72 deals with disclosure of identity of victim in certain offences. When in certain offences, in the sense, for example, in case of victim of rape, their identities cannot be disclosed or cannot be published in public. So there are certain exceptions for this. Such disclosures can be made by the order of court. Victim's authorization, in case of victim is unsound or dead or minor, the relative's permission must be acquired. In case of no relatives, any written permission of any recognized social welfare institution's chairman or secretary, and such permission can be obtained, or generally a disclosure of any victim of rape shall be made only in good faith or for the purpose of investigation. So when such publication has been made without the prior permission of the court, such person publishing shall be punished for an imprisonment of 2 years with fine. So there is an exception for this too, and any judgments published by Supreme Courts and High Courts are exempted under this section. That is all for today. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this lecture.